All right, now we're going to teach you how to create a floor plan. Actually, we're going to do a couple of them. We're going to create a floor plan for the bar and a floor plan for the dining room. We're going to set up sections within each of those, and those will be sections that each server will be assigned. And you'll need to know these when you go to enter in the orders. Okay, so Ginny, how do we get started in this?
Okay, so we're starting in the home page. You're already logged into your home page or dashboard. You'll see it says Quain Bar and Grill down here. You'll see your own restaurant name down there. So the easiest way to get to the floor plan is to search floor plan. So click on the search button like I just did, then hit floor plan. And you'll see that top one right there. Click on that. Takes you to restaurant settings. All right, so there's the name of our restaurant. We're going to click over here, create a floor plan. All right, Bill, what are we going to name the first floor plan?
Let's name it bar.
Okay, so this is bar. Its location is Quain Bar and Grill.
Okay, and so this floor plan is going to have a long bar in it.
Okay, so excuse me, I had to click done. And now it shows me a blank new floor plan. And we need to add the sections before we do anything else.
So there's going to be 3 sections in this bar floor plan here. It's going to be the bar itself. There's going to be 2 sections of 3 tables each.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. So we're going to add a new section. The section name that you want to do first, Bill, is called.
We should call it bar 1.
Do you want to make that the bar counter?
Bar counter. Yeah.
Okay. Differentiate that from the tables.
Yeah.
All right. Now we are only going to have 1 of those, correct?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to change it from 5 to 1. Okay. And it automatically named it bar counter 1.
Okay, good.
So now we're done. Okay.
Okay.
Now, do we want to add our other sections before I start putting things into the floor plan?
Well, you've done this before. I haven't. So which do you think is easier?
Let's add this bar counter 1 into our floor plan.
Okay, let's get that done.
All right,
yeah.
So as you can see, it tells you click on the table to add it to your floor plan. You can display the predefined checks as tables. All right, so I'm going to click on that. Now I'm working with that, and it's going to ask me the shape I want. And these are in feet, width and height. So we're going to have a rectangular shape, but we're not done with the width and the height. We're going to make it. I don't know if it's going to let me go. How long do you want the bar to be, Bill?
Let's make it 18 feet.
Okay, 18. And then we're going to make it, I don't know if it's going to let me go below 8. Let's see. For some reason, it likes the number 8. So that's what we're going to use.
Because this is not drawn to scale. This is just, a representation of the room.
Now, I think I'm going to move this over. You can see I can drag it around. Okay. We wanted the bar to go rectangularly though, right?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So I can mess around with it by just dragging like that as well, which is kind of cool.
Yeah.
Whip it up. You can play around with this a little
make
bit.
It a little narrower. So can you move?
No, that's the narrowest. Well, let's see. No, 18 is 8. So this is telling me that the width is 8 and the height is 34 is what I ended up with.
Yeah, and it doesn't matter because this is not a 3D thing. This is only just a representation anyways.
Exactly. Okay, so there is our bar counter.
Okay, good.
Okay, I'm going to make it a little, let's see, I'll make it a little longer even. There you go. Okay, so that's our first section is the bar counter.
All right, good.
All right, so now we're going to add a new section.
Mm-hmm.
And what is this section going to be called?
That's going to bar 2.
Bar 2. Do you want to say bar section 2 or just
Sure, let's do bar
2?
section 2.
Okay. All right. And we're going to let it automatic table names. That's the easiest and it works well.
Table numbers, you mean?
No, under naming. You can either do custom or automatic. Just automatic is the easiest and it works well. All right. Number of tables, Bill?
Let's do 3 in there.
Okay, 3.
And
so it has automatically named them bar section 2-1. So this is section 2.
Okay.
Bar section 2-2, bar section 2-3.
Yeah, so that would be bar section 2, and then tables are 1, 2, and 3 in there.
Right.
Yeah.
So we're done with that.
And are they rectangular tables?
Make them whatever we like. Okay.
Let's make, well, let's just leave them for now for,
Okay, so-
people can,
All right, so I'm going to drag them over here now. Actually, what's going on here? Okay, I had to clear that other one off first. So we're going to drag this guy. Why does he not want to get dragged? Okay, I have to click on it. I'm sorry. You have to click on each one, and then it goes up here, and then you can drag it around. All right. Do we want to keep this? Let's make it a circle.
sure.
Let's make it a little bit larger than 8 by 8. Let's make it.
8 by 8's a pretty good sized table.
Well, just for the purposes of showing
Okay.
that we can change. 10. All right, it's 10 by 10. So that kind of shows it. There you go. You can also make it more of a rectangular circle, if you will. Let's make it 5 by. See, 5 by 1, you get more of a rectangular seating thing. Okay. So it's bar section table 1. I'm going to click on bar section table 2. Now I can move it over here. We can keep that one square if you like, or we can make it round. Or
Okay.
whatever.
Well, we're running out of recording time on
Okay, I'm
on
sorry.
the screen panel.
All right, so now I'm going to do bar section 3 and put that over here. Okay, so this is 8 by 8. Let me make this guy 8 by 8 again. Make him so it looks better.
8 by 8 is way too big for a table.
Well, that's the smallest it's going to let me do on this. Okay.
Okay.
All right, now we're going to add a new section. So we have the bar counter 1. We have bar section 2. 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. And now I guess we're going to do bar section 3, Bill?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, also 3 tables.
Yes, please. Yeah, and we'll make them different shapes. Remember the size is not important here. This is not an actual depiction of the size of your tables. You just want symbols there to represent the tables.
And so now I'm going to click on bar section 3. Again, once you click on it, then you can move it around, put it where you want. When you're done with it, click on the floor plan, and then you can move on to the next one.
So this floor plan is done then, right? For the bar?
Almost. I'm just moving that third section, bar section 3 table into space. Okay, and now when you're all done, you want to save it.
Yeah.
Okay, so there we're saved. And you can see there it is. It's now back on my floor plans page, and I can click on bar, and there it is.
Excellent.
Okay.
All right.
So I'm going
That's your bar setup.
Save it one more time.
Yeah.
All right. Do you want to create the dining room now, Bill, or do you want to?
Let's do enough recording on that,
Okay.
please.